Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jenelle, and if you're new here, thank you for joining me, and please make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below. If you're new, or maybe you're just watching my videos but you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that button down below. But this week I was inspired by Amanda's video. She did a really cool fall haul video, and I'll put the link down below so you can check out her video as well. But I was inspired by it to go and show some of my recent fall purchases, as much as I love the summer, it is coming to an end, but it is nice to curl up in like a nice big sweater or just quickly put on a pair of jeans and a t-shirt. It's a simple outfit. So I'm going to show you all of that in this video. Most of these are recent t-shirts that I found. There's also some sweaters and a really cool pair of pants that I found. So let's just jump right into it and let's get started. These are some of the items I picked up, and I'll put some of them on just to kind of show you, but a lot of these items are from HomeSense, well, not HomeSense, you don't buy clothes at HomeSense, from Winners or Marshalls, as those are some of my favorite stores to go to, as well as some was from, I think, where else were they from? I'm trying to think. Reitmans is some of them. I think Amazon actually is some of the clothes as well, like this t-shirt and some other online stores. So I'll show you all of these. This is the first look, and it is just a simple pair of jeans that I got from Reitmans from the preview. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll link that as well so you can go check that out. But it was just this simple little floral tank top that I picked up at Winners for 20 bucks. And I liked it because it has that like spring summer look to it, but it's just cozy with the sleeves and just a little oversized to wear for fall. I'm going to stick with my gray shirts and show you these. So this is one I picked up on Amazon, and I originally wanted this for the wine party that I threw with fresh wines a couple weeks ago, or months, not too sure, maybe a month ago, but it didn't come in time. So I had to, well, actually it got lost in the mail, so I reordered it. But it is the cutest thing ever. It says, I just want to drink wine and pet my dog, which, I mean, who doesn't want to do that? And if Scotchy would come here, you could see him. Scotchy, come here. Do you see him? Like way in the corner. Scotch. He finds one sunspot left in the whole house. It's like 4 p.m. right now, and this is the only spot in the house that has a little bit of sun. I love this one I found at Winners. I feel like majority of my stuff is from Winners, so this is really just like a Winners Marshalls haul. But look how cute the little polka dots are. It has this little tie at the front. Little roses all over the shirt as well. There's so many little things going on with it that I fell in love with this shirt. This is my third t-shirt. Like I said, I've been trying to find a lot more t-shirts lately when going to the store, as I have so many, oh, there's a smudge, as I have so many of other types of clothing, but I just don't have any simple t-shirts that can work for work, but also be for a night out. So I really like the tie in this. It just kind of had that fun little feel, and you can see there's lines on it, and it's super cozy. Once again, it's just loose, and yeah, it's just cozy. So I like it for a night out or for work just with a pair of pants. I feel really weird with like a super bare belly right now, but usually I'd probably wear this with like a tank top underneath or a high-waisted pair of jeans. But I picked up this sweater a couple of months ago from Zaful. And I originally had the idea of I wanted to do like a pumpkin thing, like a DIY on it, but it's kind of cute on its own just for fall with like a high-waisted pair of jeans, like I mentioned, maybe not these like low-rise ones, but I like it because it is such a bright orange. I basically look like a little pumpkin in it. And then it has these little strings as well as a little hoodie. So when it's windy, you can protect your hair or just wear it because you can. It's something I've been trying as well, like find colors that's not in my closet. So I don't have a lot of orange. So it's like, let's bring that into my wardrobe. And same with like yellows and stuff. I have a lot of blues. This might be one of my favorite tops that I found. It is another Winners Marshalls find. And I'm not sure, I think maybe I would have liked it a size smaller, but you gotta take what you can get at Winners. So let me tell you, this shirt is from Banana Republic, well, originally, and it was, if you look at the actual tag of it, it's $98 for this shirt, which is crazy in my books, $98 for a t-shirt, but the price for Winners is $13. So I'm gonna have to show you the price tag for that because I was blown away. And I loved it with this little tie at the side. or in the front. It is so cool and just a nice little pattern for the fall. And I think you could also wear it going into the spring. But I mean, $13 for a Banana Republic shirt. Like, if that's not a winner's steal, then I don't know what is. Like, that should win all the awards. That is damn good. These next two are t-shirts as well, so I'll just go through them very quickly as they can be maybe not as fun to see. But once again, like I said, I was trying to find more t-shirts and I've really been able to find that when going to the stores. So this is just a simple navy shirt that I picked up, and with little gold accents. I thought it'd be perfect for fall just with a pair of jeans, as that is what mostly everyone wears in the fall. Is like you throw in a pair of jeans, you throw in a t-shirt, and you can be out the door. It's just really simple. So that's what I've been trying to do, and I think it worked out pretty well. And this one's just cozy as well. It's snug, and this was from Winners. Once again, I think around $20. One of my favorite places to shop. It's just affordable. You always feel like you're getting a deal. Oh, there's like a little bug flying around. But it's just a good store to go to. But let me know in the comments below what stores you guys go to, so maybe I can check that out and find some new things to get addicted to. What a shocker. It is another t-shirt, but as I keep saying, I kept finding t-shirts and I needed them. So this is just a simple, it's very light pink. It looks lighter than it is in the photo or in the video, but just very simple sheer. So I just put a tank top underneath of it. And once again, a simple shirt with a pair of jeans, throw the shirt on, and you're out the door with like a cute pair of like booties. Now I have to like pretend like I'm wearing booties, heels. Now on to some of my favorite things, big jackets. This one I fell instantly in love with. I just love the shape of it, so big. And I mean, if you have pockets, it's just an extra win. But the coloring on it is so nice. Has all these different colors within the sweater. And it's just so baggy and oversized with a simple tank top. And again, a pair of jeans, a pair of boots. And it is one of the perfect fall outfits. And it's so cozy. I think this one was $40 for this sweater, $40 to $50. So I mean, that's not bad for a sweater that's going to last a long time. Fall is sweater weather, so what would this video be without another cozy sweater? Once again, I love this one because of the color, just the deep red, perfect for fall. The photos with like different leaves, things like that, and it just pairs really nicely just with a simple tank top and a pair of jeans, as I keep saying. Just my favorite kind of outfits. You throw it on together, 2-3 pieces, and you're done and you can go. So I would love this sweater. And look, I do change my pants once in a while. But this is my very last outfit, and it is these super fun pants, saved the best for last. They are so cozy, and this style is so in right now with the little tie and the ruching, and then there's a bow. You got pockets in here, the little bell bottom. So once again, put a pair of boots here, and you're good. And I paired it with a little crop black top, but you could put anything else, maybe like a bodysuit, and then it would cover everything as well, which I think would be really cute. But these are such fun pants. I don't know if you can see the pattern on them. Little houndstooth is it, I think, but a little more red in there as well. But they are so fun and so comfy. You could just like do dances in them and it's okay. So much room to party. That was my fall haul video. Try to say fall haul like 5 times fast. I swear I keep messing that up and I've had to retake this like 5 times. But please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as I'm back every week with more videos and things like that. So make sure you subscribe for all the fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.